Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is L3. Harris introduces new vampire variants for multi-domain operations against drone threats. L3 Harris Technologies has announced expanded variants of its vampire system, addressing urgent operational needs from the U.S. Department of War and allied partners. The updated family now includes dedicated versions for land, maritime, air, and electronic warfare missions. Vampire is a self-contained system that provides advanced reconnaissance and precision strike capabilities against drones and remotely piloted aircraft. Since 2023, it has supported combat operations in Europe. The company has enhanced the baseline Vampire system with added sensors, precision weapons, electronic jammers, and non-kinetic effects. These upgrades are designed to strengthen its performance across multiple operational domains. The system leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve the speed and accuracy of identifying and neutralizing small, hard-to-detect unmanned threats. Vampire users have successfully shot down hundreds of enemy drones, said John Rambo, President, Integrated Mission Systems, L3 Harris. Compared to traditional missile systems, Vampire greatly reduces the cost per effect to defend against drone attacks, Rambo added. Vampire is part of L3 Harris's broader counter-unmanned systems initiative, aimed at delivering cost-effective and reliable solutions across all domains. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.